Hey everyone, this came in the mail for me today. This is the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card. In this video, I'll be walking through my application and approval process, and then of course the unboxing experience. But first, some of the fine details. I mainly decided to apply for this card for the low-hanging fruit of a sign-up bonus, which was $200 after $1,000 of spend in the first 90 days. It is a flat rate cashback card, earning an unlimited 1.5% back with an opportunity to increase more if you have a lot of assets in their checking or savings account or with Merrill Lynch. It's a no annual fee card, so not too many benefits here, but it has all the essentials like digital wallet, paperless statements, contactless chip, and free FICO score viewing. Okay, so the application process is as you would expect. With any modern credit card, you can either apply online or in branch. Easiest way is to apply online. If you already have an account with Bank of America, you can just log in and it'll pre-enter a lot of information for you. By default, the account is paperless statements, so if you still want your statements mailed to you, make sure you change that after you apply if you get accepted. But you can check out the terms and conditions and also download it as a PDF if you want. And I like to do that, take my time to read it before checking the box so I know what I'm getting into. After hitting continue, you'll be greeted with one more final review page before you submit the application. And then within a few minutes, you'll get your decision. And although it says that you'll receive the card within 2 weeks, I actually got it within a week. This was the envelope that it came in. It has Bank of America actually labeled on there. But otherwise, cracking open this envelope, you're greeted with basically 3 sets of papers. Here is the actual bonus offer, just to remind you that there is a $200 available to you if you do spend $1,000 within the first 90 days. The next stack of papers is all about your new account. First one is your credit score letter. So you can see I was approved at 790 and they pulled my Experian credit file. Rest of the paper is what you can expect, how to obtain your credit report, that kind of thing. Next is the account summary table. These show all of my rates that I was approved for, as well as their standard penalty fees. You can see that there is a 3% foreign transaction fee on this card. And then section 3 is the credit card agreement. Feel free to pause this video if you really want to read the fine print. Next is the mandatory U.S. Consumer Privacy Notice. Section 5 is about the affiliate marketing notice, so you can choose to limit their marketing to you. Section 6 is the cash reward program, so how you earn the cash back, what you can redeem for, and when do they expire. As long as your account is open, your cash rewards will stay with you. And it also specifies if you are a special tier level, how much additional cash back you actually can earn on top of the standard 1.5%. I'll be going over all the fine details in my full review of this credit card, so make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already. The final section, section 7, is the cardholder benefits guide, so all the additional benefits that you have as a cardholder, including extended warranty protection, some travel assistance. You don't have any kind of voucher or credit on this no annual fee card, but it's nice to have a little bit of extra benefits. Okay, so now we get to the piece of paper containing the actual card itself. It has all the key information, including private information at the top, which of course I'm blurring out right there, but it's really easy to activate your card. Just a bit of at-a-glance information about the benefits on this card, but without further ado, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this card. Here's a look at the card. It's monochromatic silver, and you can see the recycle symbol down below, so it's made out of recycled plastic. It's on the Visa Signature network, and you can see it has the modern card benefits like contactless payment as well as the regular chip. I didn't have to blur anything on the front. That's because all the information is here on the back, including of course their contact phone numbers. And the size for this card, if you were to put it in your wallet, is white. So that'll do it for this application and unboxing video of the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card. Definitely get subscribed to see my review when I've had time to put it through its paces. Thanks for watching.